This is TreyFour here, and today I'm going to teach you on how you can use your Android device or mobile or other mobile devices as a power bank to your iPhone. Just need the USB-C to Lightning connector that comes with your iPhone device and plug this USB-C cable to your Android device. Make sure your Android device is a type C one. There you go. And plug the Lightning one to your iOS device. And there you go. The Android device is now charging your iPhone. So this is very helpful, especially if you're traveling out there and you don't have any power bank, but you do have an Android device or a mobile phone. And yeah, you can use this one as your power bank. It's just pretty simple. You just need a Lightning cable to USB-C, plug the USB-C to your Android device and Lightning one to your iOS device. So this is TreyFour. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks so much for watching.